What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook stories not showing. To fix this issue, go over to your App Store and navigate to the Facebook app and see if the app is up to date and running in the latest version. If not, simply update the app. After doing that, try to clear the app cache on Facebook. Go over to your device settings and then tap General. Next, click on the iPhone storage. Then navigate to the Facebook app and open it. In here, tap on Offload App. Then once again, tap Offload to confirm. Next, click the Reinstall app to re-download the data of your Facebook app. Then simply wait for it to finish. Now try to check by opening your Facebook app and see if the problem is now fixed. But if still not, then try to restart your phone and change your internet connection, because maybe it is caused by a connection error on your internet provider.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.